honored to be here at the Bicon Fest in Cebu.
Yes, maayong hapon sa inyo. Grabe po yung Team Heidi. Hello po, hi, Hazel King.
Wait, Vince.
Wala talagang Team Hazel dito. Direk, are you sure?
Oh my God. Uy, guys, kailangan may sayaw, ha? Guys, kailangan may sayaw.
Masayawin talaga. Oh my God.
Guys, iyan po si Mami. Wala ka ba naman na?
Actually, we made a video already about this, but we knew each other because of common friends on Instagram, but then 5 years ago, we matched on Tinder. That's how we started talking to each other.
Proof that dating on social media actually... November 26, 2014. November 26, 2014.
That's pretty easy. That's easy.
Right. Out of the possible 9.
Happy months.
Oh yeah. Here's the next question. Favorite vacation?
You should know this.
Alright.
Vacation.
Give him a couple of seconds.
Should I put the place or... Babe, should I put the place?
Place? Place, yeah. Actually, you should know.
Like our go-to vacation place.
Go-to vacation place, okay. Wait, she can see your answer. You have to...
I'm looking at it like, oh,
I know,
this
it's like
man,
she's
about
judging
to write
it.
the wrong
Yeah.
one.
Alright.
Pwedeng specific, kung kaya mong specific additional point.
Alright. Do you guys have any wild guesses?
The island, the specific island, man.
Specific island.
But ito mali, ay nako talaga.
2, 1, go. Wait.
Yeah, tama!
Correct!
Yeah? Yeah?
Actually, mas detailed pa kasi may Palawan pa.
That's easy.
Ay, na pa na.
Least favorite food?
I don't even know what my favorite food is.
Ang dami! Sobrang, babe, this one you like but I don't like.
Make.
So that's a clue. It's one that you like, but she doesn't like it. So
Your
that should narrow
favorite,
it down
but
a
I
little
hate
bit.
it. Oh God, you should know this.
What's my favorite food?
Your favorite food.
I feel like I'm gonna be part of a really awkward love call. I'm just gonna scoot on
This
over
one
to
you truly love, but I hate. Like,
Alright.
I don't eat it.
Alright. See?
Babe, please. Ang dali nito. 3, go.
Wow!
Wow, galing ah!
Do we count it? Kasi it's
Bagoong. Very specific yung with bagoong niya.
I think we'll count it.
I don't accept it.
Wait, can you give let's say,
genre?
yeah, a genre, please?
What?
A genre? Like, is it
Like a war
a
movie?
rom-com, an action movie?
Kasi ang dami mong favorite movie. So yung magbigay ka ng genre, war?
It's a... yeah.
War.
A war
War
movie.
movie.
Okay, go. Yung hindi niya rin alam. Yung. Ano? Wala siya masulat.
Pero in fairness, medyo tricky eh. Medyo tricky ang favorite movie. Like choosing between your children. Alright? 2, 1, show. Covered. Covered.
Yo!
Your theme song.
Oh, man. Already forgot.
Hindi ko rin alam. Wala ko alam niya.
Ang sa dyan, atik ra!
We did
Dyan,
it.
ang sa pagkakas dyan. Atik ra!
I forgot. I don't know.
I don't know as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. How many questions do we have?
Tapos sobrang sugat-sugat na yung paa niya. And then the nearest restaurant was Bonchon. That's why we went there. So yeah.
Favorite ko din.
Shout out to Bonchon. Baka naman.
So far, no wrong answers whatsoever. Diyan ka naman natakot eh. Yung mga easy, tas biglang mali pala. Let's find out. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go!
Every time.
I love that healthy is really part of it. Like, you could have just called it shabu shabu, but you guys are so in sync that even healthy is in there. I think this will go perfectly. Raise pet peeve. Alright. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Stupid questions and kalabit.
I got the second one, bro.
I think that works. The kalabit part is there. Minus the stupid questions. I'm gonna leave it up to you. Do you consider that as a full
Do
point?
you guys consider this right?
Read mo sa kanila parang ang pangit ng handwriting mo.
What?
Read it to them, ang pangit ng handwriting mo.
Making kalabit her shoulder.
Yeah.
Yeah, she hates it when I... Baby.
I hate that.
Alright, so now she got perfect points. Please give her a round of applause. Thank you so much. Do you guys want to talk?
Go muna.
Alright guys, so you know the Ray and Miggy channel? I'll be changing it to my channel now, so it's gonna be Miguel Romulo. I'll be vlogging.
Yeah, I hope you guys support that that step of ours. So yeah, we are transitioning Ray and Miggy to Miguel Romulo so that when I'm away, he can also create content for you guys.
I'm a bit shy and I feel awkward, but then at some point, I hope you guys would still enjoy the videos. Yeah.
Ako naman, I'm working on many things, releasing very soon. So I hope you guys watch out for those things.
Yeah.
So yun lang. Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Appreciate it so much.
Hey, have a ladies and gentlemen, Ray and Miggy. But of course, before we let you guys off the stage, we'll just have okay. I think you hear them. I'll leave it up to you. Do we have a clinking of the glasses? Ay, kasala na. Clink.